this salmon cooking or not cooking?
All our sushi boss inside cooking.
Cooking, yeah.
Cook. Ada cook. Ada
Yeah.
salmon, breaded salmon. Ada
Cooking very well.
Yeah, yes.
Can we order this and change something?
Yes. I'll shoot it to you. How many pieces you like? 16 pieces or 32 pieces? 16 only, 99. No problem, boss. So what you like? Choose. Dynamite shrimp. Aywa. Dynamite shrimp. Crazy. What else?
We make order from because the money in the application.
Okay.
We make order here.
Hunger? Yes.
And then after that, we change it with this. Or
Replace your order.
yeah. Can we do that?
Yes. No problem, boss. So you choose already two. Dynamite, Maki, and Crazy Ebi Maki. What else? Two. Tobiko. Okay. More, boss.
وبس أربعة؟
Ada 5 pieces. Ada
أوكي
3. Okay.
بس خلاص؟
Oh yeah. Only 4 already. This one all with crab, huh?
كله هذا كراب؟
Yeah.
ما في شريمب؟
Shrimp?
إيه؟
It's okay. You make all you put the shrimp.
ها؟
No crab.
هذا وش هذا؟
Ada salmon. Ada. But already for madam.
What's mean crab and without crab? What's mean crab?
Without crab, we replace shrimp like that. With crab, we put crab inside like veggie salad with crab mix. Yes.
Crab.
Because you don't eat crab, all with crab we replace shrimp. Like that, madam.
ما في ناس في ولا صار كذا يعني
Ada quiz, madam. Kulo our sushi, kulo quiz.
أنا كتاب هذا صح؟
Aywa. And I order? Aywa. Okay. Yan na. So that's it, final, madam? This one your final order?
إن شاء الله إيه.
Okay. We make now, ah? No crab, ah?
Crab without crab.
إلا لازم هذا
With crab? Okay.
Crab means
Saltaum. Malum like this crab.
diba?
Saltaum. Kaya. Okay.
يعني ما نكرام
Okay, malum. Okay, we make now your order, madam.
Okay.
أو إيه
At dahil di pa nga tapos yung aming renovation ng store, kaya ito puro take away pa rin kami kahit may nag-dine in na. Kaya nahirap pa nga na to, hindi kami magkaintindihan nila boss eh. Ang dami nilang gustong orderin pero 16 pieces lang naman, o kumbaga 4-4 ang gusto nilang mangyari. At ang una nga nilang order without crab, pero nung sinabi ko yung saltaum ayun, nagkaintindihan na kami. Alam na nila na ang crab ganun na sinenyas ko na talangka. Ayun, kaya nagkaintindihan na kami, kaya okay lang sa kanila na with crab. Kaya ito ang order nila, Tobiko, Crazy Ebi Maki, Dynamite at Monsterol. Lahat yan puro may crab at mix ng shrimp po. Buti na lang naalala ko yung Arabic ng talangka saltaum, at sinenyas ko na talangka nga yun. Kaya okay lang. Kaya yun, nagkasalubong na kami nila boss, madam. Yun lang, salamat. Thanks for watching and God bless everyone. See you my next vlog. Alright.